Hey bakers, we're back today with another short small batch recipe for you, and this is for a quick 3-ingredient raspberry compote. Now, raspberries were on sale in the grocery store this week, so I thought it was an ideal opportunity to make one of the most popular recipes off of my blog and change up the fruit for it. If you haven't checked out my blueberry compote recipe, have a look in the description for that. It's going to be below for you. So this compote takes just about 8 minutes to make. I like to cook it for that long just to make sure that it's the right consistency for us as well. And we're just going to be using some fresh raspberries. These are 170 grams, so that's the whole container that I bought from the grocery store, which keeps it nice and simple for you. And then to that, we're adding 2 teaspoons of water and 2 teaspoons of white sugar. And all you're going to do to make this compote is cook it over a low to medium heat in a small saucepan. You're going to break it down a little bit with a wooden spoon throughout the process as well. And like I said, we're going to let it cook for about 8 minutes. Now, as the heat starts to get to the raspberries, the natural pectin will release from them. And this actually helps to thicken it up into a spoonable topping that we can use on things like pancakes, ice cream, granola and yogurt in the morning as well. It's a really versatile recipe that just elevates things for breakfast and dessert and takes no time at all to make. So as you can see, I'm just going here with the spoon. I'm starting to break them up a little bit as well. And I'm going to speed up the process for you because you don't need to sit and watch me do this for 8 minutes. And essentially, all we're doing is making sure that nothing is going to stick to the bottom of the pan. Keep moving it around a little bit until it starts to thicken up. So this is what it looks like at around the 6-minute stage. You can see it's bubbling really nicely, a lot of steam coming off of it as well. You can see some of the liquid has come out from the berries too, and it's almost ready, to be honest. So I left it for a couple of minutes longer to start to get it to thicken up just a little bit more. And then we took the saucepan off the heat, and I'm just going to pop it into a small ramekin dish where it can cool down a lot quicker as well. So you could definitely eat this straight away at this point. And what I find is, even though you're just using a little bit of sugar, that does actually make a big difference to the tartness of the raspberry compote. It just sweetens it enough to take the edge off of it and gives it a really nice flavor profile. I'm going to let this cool now though and use it for something else that will feature in another video. But that's honestly how easy it is to make raspberry compote. 3 simple ingredients, really inexpensive to make as well. And it is such a good treat to make, especially when the berries are in season and you can pick them yourselves too. If you've enjoyed watching this short recipe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel, as that helps YouTube find me. And if you'd like to check out the full recipe post for this as well, you can always find the link in the description below, or just go straight to the website, which is bakeangel.com. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.